All right, now we're going to look into auction insights. This is helpful to see what competitors are coming up in the marketplace. So we go to auction insights, look at the last 2 weeks, apply. Screenshot this. Paste this in here. Then we're going to export this. Okay, so boop, boop, boo. So we'll see the percentages here. And actually, you know what we should add to this as well, which would be very helpful. Overlap rate. Overlap rate will be very, very helpful to add to this. Okay, let's export that again with the overlap rate. Export this to sheets. So this will be very interesting. I want to sort this by the highest amount we're overlapping. Overlap rate, high to low. We're really competing with some of these guys. This is very, very interesting information to have. This is something I'd actually want to bring to the attention of the client. Is Bark.com. It's a new competitor in the space. There's actually a few different competitors in the space. So this is interesting. This is good for actual overall strategy and saying, okay, there's a big competitor in the space. How do we pivot? This is very interesting. This is something I want to mark in the actual overview. Um, New competition. Let me just refresh this. Okay, landing pages, competitors, fast. I just want to make quick notes. Quick notes on here. Analytics is fine. Next steps, I'll add later. New competition, auction insights. So let's go back to auction insights. Very, very interesting, these guys. Bark.com. These are the guys with the super fast website. Okay, so it looks like a professional finding website, but we're competing with them. All right, so that's essentially the auction insights. If you can give some great insights and You can tell the client who you're really overlapping with, who you're really competing with, and it's very interesting who we're really competing with here.